Hello, good morning and good evening everyone. Today I'm going to cook fried snapper tausi. It's very delicious. You need to try, guys. As you can see, it's so yummy with the ginger and also black beans, bell pepper, onions and garlic. Subscribe, likes and leave comment. Thank you so much, and we proceed the next step. Hello guys, next step, you have to add salt and black pepper the fish, and then you have to make a frying pan hot, very hot, and also add oil and deep fry the fish, snapper fish, fried like and turn brown. Subscribe guys, like and please leave comment, and don't forget to push the notification bell. And I already turned the fish, fried fish. So now the fish is ready to sit aside on the clean plate. So next, we are here, as you can see, we are going to stir fry the ingredients. With the onions, 1/2 of onion, ginger first. Sometimes it's up to you if you first the onion, stir fry the onion or the ginger. So I stir fry the thumb of ginger and also 1/2 onion slice. So when the onion and ginger is turned like half cooked, and then you have to add 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and also the tomato. I sliced 2 medium tomatoes. So you have to stir it until the tomato and onions is cooked, and then you have to add 1 cup of water, and then you have to simmer it well until get the tomatoes is really soak and absorb the flavors. So as you can see, I add the water. So it's very delicious guys. And 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and then vinegar, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and also the sauce of black beans like salted, and also 1 tablespoon of beef stock, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. You have brown sugar or white sugar, it's up to you. So you have to mix it. And then the black beans, the small can of black beans guys. But before that I put the black beans, I rinse the water and throw away, and then I save a little bit of sauce or water, black beans, a little bit put there. So guys, it's look like almost ready the ingredients. Then after that you have to simmer it until the onions ingredient is cooked. And then also you have to add bell pepper, any kind of bell pepper. If you want to add chili, then you can add, and also the fried fish, so snapper fish. So you have to boil it, and I add the onion chives or onion leaves, scallion. So I add, and also the black beans. It's really good guys. I don't sure the black beans that I add, but so you have to simmer it, because when I eat it, I think I deleted it. So as you can see, it's already have black beans. It's very delicious. Subscribe, likes, and please leave a comment. So every time I upload my video, you always updated. Now I taste and then serve it again. So the Tausi fish is almost ready. And then we have to prepare this and put aside on the plate and get ready with the hot rice. So guys, it's ready to serve. You have to try. You need to try it. Please leave comment to all my subscribers, silent viewers, to all my supporters. Thank you so much for always support me. If you wanna do shout out, then leave comment so I can shout out you guys the name. So thank you, and God bless. And see you my next video. And please subscribe, leave comment and likes. Thanks and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye. As you can see, it's so yummy. You can a little bit add of water or sauce. Then so it's up to you guys. But I add a little bit only because I don't want to have a lot of soup. So it's so yummy. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to post the notification bell so every time I upload my video you always update it. So thank you so much for watching and for coming, always visiting my channel. Thank you so much. Oh, guys, look at that, guys. You have to try, guys. It's in there, my recipe there. You can follow this, guys. And yummy, it's done. See you in my next video. Subscribe, like, and please leave comment. Thank you so much to all my YouTubers and silent viewers, supporters. Thank you so much.